So welcome to May's meat hook and QDR. This month we're going to work on a reverse meat hook and then the circular QDR. Both very hard movements, very hard on the rib cage, so you really want to kind of progress slowly with it. The main thing with the meat hook, as with all of them, is to get used to being upside down. So the easiest thing to do is just kind of have your feet here. You can put your feet up on a box or something to get used to it, to make it easier to get up if you can't pull up. And then for the basic reverse meat hook, you're just doing the arch and then straighten. Once you get used to that, you can turn the hips and then arch. Then what you do is you whack the pelvis, the sacrum, on to the arm and getting that each side. When you come down nice and soft, but you're really trying to get that sacrum onto the arm, sliding that down. Don't need to force it, just gradually open up the spine. It is a lot of pressure through there, so there's no need to rush into a harder version. Just feel that weight going into the sacrum. Once you've got that down, you can come right down into it, then you can move it towards the lower back to bring both legs on the outside as for the other meat hook when you've got the meat on the weight on the easier side. The reverse one is a much harder position to get that down behind you. For the circular QDR, your base level is just to really get into that side position. So you're starting here and you're trying to turn into here with that elbow going into the ribs. You have the hands fairly wide. Once you've got that down, you can reach back and get into that position. You can tap, then come back. You really want to be strong in that tap and feel that front split before you try to start to walk around. But getting that down, feeling that front split position, and then all the weight is really just in that supporting arm. So they're all kind of prerequisites, and you want to have that down nice and comfortable, be able to come in and out. In this workout we do 30 on the meat hook, 30-second breathing rest to reset the rib cage, because it is a lot of pressure going in there. 30 seconds for the QDR, this month circular, then a 30-second rest, 4 sets. First round, just go really easy, just do whatever you can do that's not really much stress on you, just to get the body warmed up and get a sense of it. And then the second round a little bit harder. It's not really until your third and fourth sets you really want to push it. And then 2 good working sets with a good warm-up. You're doing a lot, and if you're consistent with the training, the versions will come up. But don't force it. You never want to strain one of the intercostal muscles in there, because it is pretty heavy through there. Have fun.